Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest how-to guides to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to cancel your Avast subscription in 2025. If you're subscribed to Avast for antivirus protection but want to switch things up, maybe to save money, try a different service, or just declutter your subscriptions, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, why cancel? Avast is a solid antivirus, but with so many options out there in 2025, it's smart to reassess. The process is straightforward, but it can vary slightly depending on how you subscribed, whether directly through Avast, Apple, Google, or another platform. I'll cover the most common methods to ensure you get it done smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Avast account. Head over to the Avast website and sign in with your email and password. If you don't remember your login, use the Forgot Password option, but make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the My Subscriptions or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the dashboard menu. Look for anything related to your active subscriptions. Step 3. Find the option to manage or cancel your subscription. Click on it, and you'll see details like your plan, renewal date, and a cancel button. Go ahead and select Cancel Subscription. Avast might ask why you're leaving. Feel free to skip this if you want. Step 4. Confirm the cancellation. You'll likely get a pop-up or email confirmation. Double-check for any auto-renewal settings and turn them off to avoid future charges. If you subscribed through a third party like the App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel through their platforms instead. For example, in Apple Settings under Subscriptions, or in Google Play under Manage Subscriptions. A quick tip. After canceling, check if you're eligible for a refund. Policies can change, but in 2025, Avast often prorates refunds for the unused portion of your subscription. Also, remember that canceling might mean losing access to premium features, so back up any important data first. And there you have it. You're all set. Canceling your Avast subscription doesn't have to be a hassle. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.